Hello, today we're going to talk about how to edit your product description on Zazzle. Say later on you thought of something you wish you would have added in, or somehow you made a mistake. You can go back in and edit it quick. So what you do is you go to your product page and go to the product you want to edit the description on. See underneath it how it says actions? Click on that, then click edit details on the very top. And then it will take you to this page. And right here you can edit the title, the department, the description. So just go down to the description and change whatever you want to change. And to the left here, there's other things you can change too, like the categories, or if you click on product merchandising, that's where you can change the picture, the product image of the whatever you're working on. There's all different kinds of things you can do in here, but I have other videos on that already. So I'll try to stick to the subject here and go back to the description page. So go down to the bottom and click I have the right to publish this once you've changed the description, and click done. And that's it. So now when you click on your product, the description will be the new product, or the new description that you put in, So you can go down here and read what your description says to make sure it changed. Pretty easy. For more tutorials, just subscribe to our channel or add this playlist to your favorites. Thanks. Have a great day.